Imagine a plane that cuts fuel use by 70% and makes air travel cleaner, quieter, and faster than ever. Welcome to the future of aviation, the revolutionary NASA N3X aircraft concept. This futuristic blended-wing airliner is designed to transform how we travel across the skies. Its wide lifting body creates incredible aerodynamic efficiency, helping airlines dramatically reduce fuel consumption and environmental impact. Instead of traditional engines, liquid hydrogen generators power advanced superconducting electric motors that drive multiple quiet fans along the aircraft's rear. The result is smoother thrust, lower noise, and smarter performance. Even its ability to perform steep, short-field landings could ease airport congestion worldwide. The N3X proves that electrified propulsion isn't science fiction. It's the next bold step towards sustainable commercial flight. What if your next flight was silent, electric, and built for a cleaner future? Meet Eviation Alice, the groundbreaking all-electric aircraft redefining regional air travel. Designed with a sleek composite airframe and cutting-edge fly-by-wire controls, Alice delivers smooth, efficient performance for short-distance routes. Two powerful rear-mounted electric motors provide quiet thrust while dramatically reducing carbon emissions and operating costs. Built to carry up to 9 passengers plus crew, this aircraft is perfectly suited for regional journeys between 400 and 800 kilometers. After its successful first flight test in 2022, Alice proved that sustainable aviation is no longer a dream, it's becoming reality. This is the new era of plane travel, cleaner, smarter, and confidently electric. This single-engine aircraft flies like a jet and redefines speed in private aviation. Introducing the Dare TBM 980, a powerful turboprop that blends jet-like performance with remarkable efficiency. Cruising at speeds up to 330 knots, this aircraft delivers fast, smooth travel for modern business missions. Inside the cockpit, the advanced Garmin 3000 Prime avionics system features 3 large touchscreen displays, giving pilots intuitive control and superior situational awareness. Its dependable PT6 E66XT engine generates around 850 horsepower, driving a 5-blade Fatic propeller for optimized performance and range of nearly 1,730 nautical miles. Passengers enjoy Starlink connectivity, USB-C charging, and enhanced safety with emergency auto-land. The TBM 980 proves plane travel can be smarter, faster, and confidently efficient. What if regional flights became cleaner, smarter, and powered by hybrid innovation? Meet the Avio 810, a bold next-generation hybrid electric aircraft built to transform short-distance air travel. Designed to carry between 76 and 88 passengers, it combines modern comfort with groundbreaking efficiency. On ultra-short routes, the aircraft can taxi, take off, and land using battery power alone, dramatically reducing noise and emissions. For longer journeys, 4 advanced wing-mounted turboprops act as range extenders, ensuring reliable performance across distances of around 500 nautical miles. This intelligent hybrid system lowers fuel consumption and operating costs compared with older regional jets. With growing airline interest and planned entry into service in the early 2030s, the Avio 810 signals a confident new era of sustainable plane travel. Imagine a futuristic aircraft built to fly smarter, cleaner, and farther than ever before. Introducing the Adaridge A868, a visionary concept aircraft shaping the next era of plane travel. With its sleek, blended-wing design and lightweight composite structure, it promises exceptional aerodynamic efficiency and extended range. The aircraft's advanced hybrid propulsion system combines electric assistance with a fuel-efficient turbine, helping reduce fuel consumption, emissions, and noise. Designed as a versatile platform, the A868 could carry passengers, transport cargo, or support missions like surveillance and emergency response.
Intelligent flight controls and modern avionics enhance performance and safety in demanding conditions. The Adaridge A868 reflects a confident global shift towards sustainable, high-performance aviation innovation for the skies of tomorrow.
A plane that takes off like a helicopter and flies like a fast hybrid jet. Meet the Horizon Cavour X7, a revolutionary hybrid electric aircraft redefining modern plane travel. Designed in Canada, it carries 1 pilot and 6 passengers on missions of up to 800 kilometers while cruising near 450 kilometers per hour. Its unique wing system hides 14 electric fans, enabling quiet vertical takeoffs and landings from compact spaces like helipads. Once airborne, the fans retract and efficient forward flight is powered by a rear propeller and turbo generator. This smart hybrid design cuts emissions by around 30%. Ideal for medical evacuation, cargo, and disaster response, the Cavour X7 signals a confident future for clean aviation. A new experimental aircraft is racing to bring back the era of extreme high-speed flight. Introducing the Quarter Horse MK2.1, a cutting-edge experimental drone designed to redefine the limits of speed and innovation in aviation. Larger and more powerful than its earlier prototype, this sleek delta-wing aircraft is powered by a modified Pratt & Whitney F100 engine with an advanced inlet pre-cooler system for enhanced performance. Its successful maiden subsonic flight in March 2026 marked a major milestone in rapid aircraft development. Engineers are now using vital flight data to accelerate progress toward the Hypersonic MK3, targeting incredible speeds approaching Mach 5. The Quarter Horse program signals a confident return to the future of high-velocity flight technology,